Alright, this is a 30-inch Harbor Breeze Breezeway ceiling fan installed in the laundry room. And it's a perfect install for this room, I think. So I think it's a good laundry room fan for someone who has a small laundry room like we do. We really ought to get one of these fans new old stock and replace our builder's best with one of these. So the demonstration of it. Here's the light. Here's low. This fan is run on high mostly, so could be why it's a little bit dirty. Has a little bearing noise, I think. I think the bearings are run a little dry on it. Of course, these fans are known for having pretty fast low speeds, so. Here's medium. Yep, this fan's got a bearing problem for sure. You could probably hear the bearing noise it makes. Here's high. And blows a lot of air. Another thing these fans are known for, blowing a lot of air. All right, that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.